Europass, opening doors to work and training in Europe. Welcome to the videos tutorial channel of Europass Spain. In this video tutorial, we are going to explain the Europass Certificate Supplement and the Europass Diploma Supplement to you. The best way to access the application is to enter the Europass Spain website. First of all, therefore, enter www.cepie.es, and once you have entered, click on Initiatives, then on Europass, and once you are in the Europass page, go to the Documents of Interest menu and click on Europass Documents. This is the link where you can find the Europass Certificate Supplement and the Europass Diploma Supplement. The Europass Supplement is a document that is annexed to the degree, whether this is a professional skills certificate, a vocational education and training certificate, or a university degree. Its purpose is to help employers or institutions in other countries to understand the skills that the degree holder has acquired. The supplement contains information about the range of employment opportunities that are available, the issuing and certification organisms, the different ways to obtain the degree, the level of the degrees, the entrance requirements, and what possibilities there are for accessing the next training level. The supplement does not replace the degree. It is an informative document that helps understand the degree. If you wish to download the Europass Certificate Supplement under the Organic Law of Education (LOE), you have to click on this link and you will then see the documents in English and Spanish. If you wish to personalize them, you must contact your educational center and ask them for the supplement that can be downloaded from the indicated page together with the annex. With your personal details and both documents having been stamped by that institution, this will be a valid document vis-à-vis other European institutions. The Europass Certificate Supplements under the Law on the General Organization of the Education System (LOGSI) can be downloaded from this link in Spanish, French and English. As far as vocational education and training certificates are concerned, this is the link you can download them from. As well as these documents that you have seen, there is a diploma supplement. You can see the model by clicking on this link. This document must be customized and filled in by the universities where the degree was obtained, and the universities are obliged to issue it together with the degree in accordance with the following royal decree. Once you have obtained the supplement duly customized by the institution at which you studied, you can upload it as an annex to your Europass curriculum so that any employer can see what you have learned during that degree.